How to use honey for blackheads removal naturally, works 100%. Clogged hair follicles cause blackheads. These occur on nose, arm, face, chest and shoulders. Honey cleanses skin pores, and also, it tightens the pores. It nourishes and moisturizes your skin. Because of its antibacterial properties, it works against the germs. To prevent acne, pimples and dark spots, the removal of blackheads is essential. In the video below, I am going to tell you that how to use honey for blackheads removal. Try these remedies for blackhead removal with honey. Remedy 1. Take organic honey, and apply it to your face. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash with lukewarm water, and then with cold water. Repeat 2 to 3 times a week. Remedy 2. Cut apple into slices, and make its pulp. Mix apple pulp, chopped mint leaves, 1 tablespoon of cornmeal. Warm up this mix to make a thick paste. Apply and let it work for 10 minutes. Rinse with warm water. Remedy 3. Mix 1 cup of oatmeal, 1 tablespoon of honey, and juice of 3 tomatoes. Apply the mask, and leave for 10 minutes. Rinse it with water. Remedy 4. Dab a small amount of honey to your face and cover with a bandage. Leave it overnight, and wash your face in the morning. Remedy 5. Mix egg white and 1 teaspoon of honey. Apply the mix to your face, and let it get dry if you want to use honey for blackheads removal. Remedy 6. Mix 1 tablespoon of oatmeal, half tablespoon of honey and egg white. Apply and massage for 5 to 7 minutes. Wash with warm water. Remedy 7. Mix 1 teaspoon of almond and honey. Apply the mixture to your skin, and let it get dry. Wash it off after this. Remedy 8. Mix honey and milk. Scrub your skin with this mixture, and leave for 30 minutes. Use it regularly. Remedy 9. Mix 1 teaspoon of honey and a pinch of sea salt. Exfoliate the area with this mix, and get magical benefits. Remedy 10. Mix lemon and honey, and rub the lemon to your face. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Wash with cold water. Remedy 11. Apply warm honey on a lemon slice. Rub the slice on your face, and use this remedy on alternate days. Remedy 12. Steam your face, and apply a mix of honey and lemon juice. Let it sit for 15 to 30 minutes. Rinse with warm water followed with cold water. Remedy 13. Mix equal amount of honey, lemon and salt. Massage your skin with it for 5 to 10 minutes. Repeat as needed. Remedy 14. Mix a teaspoon of honey, half teaspoon of lemon juice, and 3 strawberries. Scrub for 3 to 4 minutes with this mix. Remedy 15. Mix half cup of oats, 1/4 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of honey, and lemon juice. Apply the mix to your skin, and then wash your face. Remedy 16. Mix 3 tablespoon of honey and a teaspoon of cinnamon powder and make a mix. Apply and let it sit overnight. Wash it off with warm water. Use it daily. All of these remedies to use honey for blackheads removal are very effective. Follow one of these and get its magical results.